everyone, and welcome to the meditation channel. Let's begin. Close your eyes and get yourself in a comfortable position. Just taking a moment now to center yourself, to feel your body, to watch your mind, and to be with your breath. And as you check in right now, just notice if there is any tension, any discomfort, anything at all that may make you feel outside of your norm, if you like. And so I invite you with your breath to bring energy to that part of your body or to your mind or to your emotions. And on the out breath, allow it to expand and let go. Even if you need to take some deep breaths and some big sighs, give yourself permission to do that right now. Maybe you have a big day ahead of you or something important, or maybe it's the end of the day and you're just processing. Whatever it may be, just allow your breath to help you. And so now we call forth the angelic realm to assist us, to guide us, and to heal us today through this meditation. We invite their love, their light, their healing, their blessing, and today we open ourselves completely to them. And so suddenly above you now, I want you to see a beautiful, divine, soft light shine down. This energy is extremely cooling, soothing, and comforting. As it surrounds you, you feel an immediate sense of tranquility and peace. Beautiful, soft, divine light surrounding you and washing away anything that is unwanted and unwelcome at this time. Cleansing your energy, clearing your aura, and uplifting you. And as this light connects to your skin, your nervous system immediately responds by opening up and relaxing. Washing away any tension, any stress or anxiety. Just taking a moment now to be as present with yourself, feeling the changes and the shifts in your body, in your mind, and in your energy. And saying thank you for this healing, thank you for this moment. And now bringing your focus to your heart and just paying attention at what may be causing you some suffering, stress, or pain at this time. Remember to breathe as you awaken these emotions. And once you find them, I want you to set an intention today to give this burden, this pain to the angel to help you with it. And today we give him full permission to assist us in releasing, in reprogramming our subconscious mind, allowing us to no longer carry this burden, helping us to feel light and free and joyous and open once more. And by releasing this burden, by giving it away to the angels, we give ourselves the freedom, the expansion, and the ability to manifest with ease. And so suddenly above you now, you feel a white light, and through that white light, a beautiful angel appears. They stand before you with a big smile and open arms. Their energy is so loving, so welcoming. They have a big smile on their face, so excited and happy to help you today. And when you are ready, they're going to place their hand above your heart, connecting to this energy, to this wound, to this pain. As they touch your heart, you feel a sense of expansion and peace. Maybe some emotions will arise. But just take a moment now to feel their energy, their love, and their healing now. And gently and slowly now they begin to move their frequency into your heart and gently removing the old energy. The more that old pain and trauma gets released, the more joy and lightness and expansion you feel. It's like a whole new world is opening up inside of you. Creating a shift in frequency, creating a shift in energy, and also creating a shift emotionally. And now that soft blue light begins to enter your heart, soothing your heart and cooling your heart. Allowing your heart to feel peace, to feel safe, to feel tranquil. Just an absolute state of bliss now as you breathe in and breathe out peacefully. Remembering that you are worthy of this peace. You are worthy of happiness, love, and joy. And all you have to do is receive. Say yes. I invite you now to move through your day or your sleep with this energy, creating, manifesting, and attracting experiences that are blissful, joyful, and peaceful. trusting that your nervous system is completely reset and that your heart is fully open now to receive. And now the angel asks, would you like to receive a blessing or a gift? And as you say yes, a golden feather appears. They gently grab this feather and place it once again above your heart as it merges into your heart. This gift is a special gift for you, and so all you need to do is be open and receptive to the joy, to the bliss, and to the miracles. And so now, just stay in a state of gratitude. Thank you for this blessing. Thank you for this healing. Thank you for this love. And so, the angel now has completed their mission as they gently remove their hand and fade away. That beautiful light above you also fades, still leaving you, however, in a completely peaceful state. And now I invite you to bring your focus back to your breath and gently beginning to expand your awareness outward. Slowly and gently returning back. There is absolutely no rush, but when it feels right, you can return and open your eyes.